struggle with foot or ankle issues, you know it's really uncomfortable, and few things are worse than that because just getting around can be difficult. Well, you're in the right place this morning. I'm with Robbie Hakeem and Dr. David Bates at Heelex Medical Center. It's a brand new facility out in Surprise. Thank you both for being here today.
Thank you.
Robbie, let's start with you and the modality that you guys use here at Heelex. How is it used to treat people who are really struggling with those foot and ankle issues?
Okay, I'm glad you asked that. In the case of low-dose radiation therapy, to simplify it, the radiation comes in, and then when you have chronic inflammation, you have a production of T1, M1 cells.
Okay.
They're the white blood cells. I call them the angry white blood cells. And the radiation, through many mechanisms, turns them into something called T1, M2 cells, the anti-inflammatory white blood cells. And those actually fix the area and then cures the disease, hopefully.
Okay, I don't understand it all, but I like the sound of it. Doctor, let's talk to you about the patients that you treat with this technology and the results that you see.
We've seen tremendous results so far. It's beneficial for lots of different conditions.
Okay.
Plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, arthritis within the foot, and we really see people getting tremendous relief and hopefully keeping them from having to have a surgical intervention potentially.
What are some of the outcomes that you've been able to witness with the use of this technology? Because I think when we think of arthritis, we think of older people, which is obviously a good population of it. But there are so many conditions that people can get at a variety of ages. What are some of the success stories that you've been able to enjoy?
Yeah, we've seen people come in, limping and leaving not limping anymore. One of my patients was a college runner, really severe arthritis in both of his ankles, and really struggling to get his exercise in and keep up with his previous lifestyle. And we did the treatment on one foot and then the other, and he's back to doing 3-mile walks and feeling better than he has in years.
Again, it's a life-changing procedure, because when you are not able to live the life you want, it becomes, it affects everything, right?
Absolutely.
All right, so at what point would you recommend this treatment for your patients? Because we've heard of all the other options available. When does this come into play?
Really, once we've tried a few of the other things. We don't have to try everything, but once we've tried a few things like an injection or physical therapy or home programs, if those aren't working, then we want to get to something that is going to get to the bottom of it and get them the relief they're looking for.
Well, I mean, the fact that somebody walks in pain and then they walk out not in pain, that's huge. So the question a lot of people, I'm sure, are asking right now is, well, this sounds great. Will my insurance cover it, Robbie?
Absolutely. We take all insurance, starting with Medicare and on.
Okay, so it's not a hindrance for people to come in and get these conditions treated.
No, insurance is definitely not the hindrance.
Okay, I love it. Gosh, it really is. I mean, when you hear about people just struggling to walk from room to room, and then they have this new technology that will take care of that for them. It's pretty incredible. Thank you both for being here and sharing that today.
Thank you for having us.
Heelex Medical Center is located at 12329 West Bola Drive out in Surprise. Give them a call at 623-270-7441 or go online at heelexsurprise.com.